How to put TikTok videos in slow motion. In order to make a video in a slow-mo in TikTok or to already have a pre-recorded video in slow motion, just go about uploading a video first of all. So now I'll just choose a certain video here and I'll tap on next. Now I need to go to its editing screen. So on the right hand side I can see this edit button or this edit icon. So I can just choose this edit button. Now what I can do is after I come to the edit icon, I can adjust the speed of this, right? So there'll be various options from the bottom. You can see adjust, you can see brightness and so on, but I can select this media here and I can choose to adjust the speed of this. So there'll be various options. You just want to look for something like adjust the speed. So you can see adjust here. And again, you can see various options. So let me just look for the speed option here. And after that, you should be able to increase or decrease the speed of this to be able to have it strengthened, or maybe you want to increase the duration, or you can see speed here. So tap on speed and you can just have it to slow motion like this. And once you have it to slow motion, you can see it will be played in a slow motion, which you can simply choose to save the changes now. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.